Hello there, Blake. I just want to say thank you, first of all, for allowing us to send you this video. Basically, what I'm going to be discussing in this video is the three main components that is involved with search engine optimization, as well as your Google My Business optimization. And so the first main component is that is involved is called on-site optimization, and it refers to your content on your website. So basically, that's everything involved in your front page here, as well as your service pages, as well as possibly even some location pages. And so you will want to have about 1,500 words of content on this first page that will give place value to about 15 high volume keywords that Google will be looking for when when it's crawling websites to find handyman services. So I'll go into more extent about the keywords in a minute, but basically you definitely want to have that content, and that content can be behind your pictures, how your pictures are saved, your title tags, um, the paragraphs, everything within your website, the content needs to be optimized so that you can be found by Google when people type in Handyman Services Westchester. So I also noticed that your site is not secure. That means it is easily hackable, and you definitely want to take care of that. Um, some clients may not want to visit your site knowing that it's not secure because it opens them up for a possible virus. And so you definitely want to take care of that as well, and get that SSL certificate in place so that you are an HTTP or an HTTPS. So what I did is I took your website into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. This basically shows us how you are ranking within Google. So apparently either your website is fairly new and it hasn't been found yet by Google, or you just have not been able to optimize it yet with that content. So just to give you an idea of what I mean by content and the three main components, which is your content here, your referring domains, and the backlinks. These three main components go into search engine optimization. What I did is I Googled Handyman Services Westchester. Now, unfortunately, when I did that, it looks like some places in New York City popped up. So that just means that it would be very easy, actually, to rank you within your service area, Westchester, because Google will want to find local businesses. So I did find your Google My Business listing, but apparently because it is not optimized, it's not found here. We have mainly Westchester handyman in New York that is being found. So if we were to optimize your Google My Business listing, you can get it to these first three in the results. But just to let you, just to show you what I mean by the three main components, I'm going to take this guy because the other ones, actually, let's go back. Let's see if this one, this is a directory. Yelp is a directory listing. I want to see if this is a directory listing or if it's a legitimate website. Many people will pass over directory listings. So it looks like this one is also a directory listing. I'm going to go to an actual website. Mr. Handyman. This guy is everywhere. So what I'm going to do, you know, I'm going to, yeah, well, I'm going to put him in the search tool just to give you an idea. And we would definitely want to be searching for your local area, but since your local area didn't pop up, we're going to find the results for Westchester County in New York. So basically, this is the three main components that go into search engine optimization and getting your website to the top. And basically, basically it's your content here. Now, you definitely would not need this much to rank in your local area, because as it is, there is no one else serving Westchester in Google search. No one else in that 323 area code serving Westchester. So it'd be very easy to rank you and get you to the top in that service area. We are looking at results in New York. So let's just break it down. Like I was talking about, the content within your website, specific keywords, then you also have referring domains, which would be everywhere that your website would be listed, such as a local directory, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, House, any of those places. And then those local directories, if they allow you to have a link back to your website within them, that would be considered backlinks. So these over 6,000 referring domains within his website is giving power to 90,000 backlinks. So for example, right here, this would be considered a backlink because it's on another website, and I can click on it and go to his page. Now let's just take a look at the keywords. These are things that you would want to implement within your page and in your content. Handyman, handyman services, stud finder, 83,000 searches. That's awesome. Handyman services. So home repair services, you would want to implement window repair. Basically all the services that you offer, you would want to have as keywords, specific keywords implemented within your website. And it's a special way that you need to do it, as well as your service area as a key word. So let's just see if he has any service areas. He mostly has services that he does. I'm trying to find if he has like local service areas. But to be honest, this result with the backlinks, the referring domains, and the organic keywords has to do with his value as MrHandyman.com throughout the whole nation and not just in Westchester. If I were to search only Westchester, New York, I would have to do the exact URL. And see how easy this guy would be to beat. So we would just have to, increase the keywords, of course, your citation pages, and the backlinks. It's very simple to do. And actually, because you don't have a lot of competition in Westchester, nothing is coming up, that's what we would do for you. We would optimize your whole website, optimize your Google My Business listing, and get you the necessary websites that you need to be listed on to include those backlinks. So if you're interested in seeing how we could do that and get you more service and more business, please respond to this email, or I'll be reaching out to you next week. Have a blessed day.